Ever wondered how to get perfectly seared pork chops with just the right amount of smoky flavor? Today we're cooking up a hearty meal of pork chops, Yukon Gold potatoes, and some sweet Vidalia onions on the Weber Kettle, using a 2-zone grilling setup and cherry wood smoke to lock in those flavors. Stick around and we'll show you how to nail the timing and technique for tender, flavorful results every time. This cook is all about balancing flavors and keeping things simple with a few key seasonings. So let's get started. First things first, let's use our chimney starter to get our charcoal ready. Once the coals are hot and glowing, they are ready to dump into the charcoal basket positioned on the side of the grill. This gives us a hot zone for searing and a cool zone for finishing the cook. We're aiming for a grill temp between 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit today. We'll be using our ThermoPro thermometer to measure the ambient temperature inside of the grill. Now, let's head inside to prep our food while the grill comes up to temperature. We've already washed the Yukon Gold potatoes and sliced them thin. Vidalia onions bring that natural sweetness, and they pair perfectly with pork. I happen to absolutely love mushrooms, so I'm going to put some in here for good measure. However, if you don't like mushrooms, you can totally skip this step. For seasoning, we're keeping it simple. Just extra virgin olive oil and a sprinkle of Lowry seasoned salt. Everything goes into a half aluminum tray, and this will cook over the cool zone. With the potatoes and onions ready to go, let's move on to the pork chops. For the pork chops, we're keeping things quick and easy. After patting them dry, let's first coat them with some extra virgin olive oil. We're going to season our pork chops today with a store-bought garlic and pepper blend seasoning. This stuff packs great flavor and it works beautifully on pork. You should be able to pick this up at your local Dollar Tree if you're interested. However, we'll drop a link to our Amazon storefront if you want to check this product out. Everything is prepped and our grill grates have been cleaned and lubricated, so let's get to cooking. Let's start by searing the pork chops directly over the hot zone. A few minutes on each side is all it takes to get a nice golden crust. Can y'all hear that? That's flavor right there. Once both sides are seared on the pork chops, we can slide the chops over to the cool zone. This prevents overcooking while we finish up the rest of the meal. It's about that time. Let's go ahead and add a little smoke to the mix. Let's place a couple of cherry wood chunks directly onto the hot coals. Cherry wood adds a mild, slightly sweet smoke that pairs really well with pork and potatoes. We'll let everything cook uncovered for about 15 minutes to soak in all that smoky flavored goodness. While we wait, this is a great time to mention our digital guide, Grill Temperature Zones Made Easy. If you're looking to level up your grilling game, it's packed with tips on mastering 2-zone cooking, so you always know how to manage heat like a pro. After about 15 minutes or so, the pork chops have a beautiful color from all that smoke, and the potatoes and onions are starting to soften. Now let's add our pork chops to the aluminum tray with the potatoes and onions and mushrooms so that they can tenderize a bit more and build up their depth of flavor. We'll cover it all with foil to trap in the heat and let it cook for another 30 minutes. At this point, everything is coming together nicely and it smells amazing out here. After about 45 minutes, let's check our potatoes for tenderness. They're soft but not mushy, just right. At this point, you want to also check your pork chops to make sure they've hit the internal safe to eat temperature of at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Our pork chops are perfectly cooked and ready to serve. Now let's get everything plated up and take a moment to enjoy this meal. Let's talk about how everything turned out. The pork chops are incredibly tender, with just the right amount of smoke from those cherry wood chunks. The garlic and pepper seasoning gives them a savory kick without overpowering the natural flavor of the meat. And we can't forget about those Yukon Gold potatoes. They're perfectly cooked, soft and creamy on the inside with that golden edge from the olive oil. And those Vidalia onions, they've caramelized just enough to add a subtle sweetness to every bite. This is one of those meals where every ingredient complements the others, making for a hearty, well-balanced plate. Simple ingredients, great technique, and a little smoke. It doesn't get much better than this. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more grilling recipes and tips. And don't forget to check out our digital guide, Grill Temperature Zones Made Easy, to master 2-zone cooking for perfect results every time. Thanks a bunch for hanging out with us today, and we'll see you next time.